Thank you for joining me for this urgent IPO briefing. Over the last few months, an unbelievable upsurge in record-shattering cannabis IPOs is taking the industry by storm. Tilray, it just IPO'd at $1.4 billion. Curaleaf IPO'd for $4.5 billion. Acreage Holdings, it IPO'd for $2.5 billion, even as the stock market was tanking. The way these things are soaring, even small investors, people from every walk of life, are making tens of millions of dollars from tiny grub stakes. Folks just like you and me. In fact, one very famous Canadian business magazine has already found 77 everyday folks who made $1 million or more just in the last few months. Heck, one guy was even a janitor. And this trend, it's only accelerating for obvious reasons you'll see in a moment. Now, within the next 5 weeks, we could see as many as 10 private cannabis companies go public. According to our research, 4 of them are in line to set new opening day records. And we can say with absolute certainty, these 4 companies are expected to go public before April 15th. These soon-to-be record breakers include a company that is brewing beer from hemp, a licensing firm that holds the key for American companies who want to sell into Canada's huge market, a financing company that masterminds $100 million deals, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. One company we're examining today has developed a revolutionary system. They've created a way to extract high-value oils from cheap hemp and other byproducts that would normally be discarded. Now that's important because they're essentially creating a brand new revenue stream for any company using their technology. By licensing out their technology, they've gained the power to charge cannabis companies a royalty of 22 cents for every gram of product their customers produce. Now think about that for a second. The cannabis industry is expected to grow to 10 million kilograms of production in the next few years. If this company captures just 10% of that market, that's $220 million a year with zero work. Remember, that's just one of the companies we're examining today. Each of these companies is capable of generating between $500 million and $3 billion for investors the day they go public. That's a potential $12 billion in new wealth created before April 15th. Now, you're going to get the details in every one of these 4 IPOs in a moment and how you can get in on them, even if you've never invested $1 in your life.